Doing?
We're setting the timing on the cylinder machines.
Okay.
So, oh, I hope I didn't just change something.
You
Moving around
actually,
with my phone and stuff.
okay. I'm gonna make it myself off video here.
All right. So, this is what we're talking about.
Yes.
This area here and the belts, these two have to be aligned in a certain way. Otherwise, your machine will, if you've ever seen a video of a washing machine on its spin cycle with a brick in it and the whole machine shakes, that's exactly what will happen. So to get at this, we're going to be back here. You, this is on a spring. You can pull it
Hmm.
to help drop the bolt. Otherwise, sorry, this will loosen this pulley, which will also drop the belt. And this is
Okay.
for the bottom belt right now.
Hmm.
Um, I'm going to try to position my phone in a way that you guys can see this.
And
There
how
you go.
often do you do this, Charles?
Generally only whenever a belt breaks or if you replace any of these assemblies, because you'll have to take the belt off. Otherwise, back here, this in some of the older machines is actually a skate wheel.
Oh, yeah. I remember you telling me that. Yep.
And it just has regular bearings, like you can go to Zoomies and get it. But anytime that happens, your belt is now off, it falls. Now you have to retime the machine. Anytime you remove the belt, you have to reset the timing on this.
Okay. And if you remove just one belt, do you only have to do one part of this versus
Well, just if you're going to do it, just do both.
do both? Okay. So even if only one belt falls off, you're still gonna do both timings.
Yeah, just to be safe.
Gotcha.
Back here, this pulley is for the top belt. Right here is where the Allen wrench goes. See if I can give you a little bit better of an angle.
Yep.
So you can, oh, sorry, put it on a little tight yesterday whenever I was doing this. But this process really isn't that difficult to do. So anytime you see your machine shaking a lot is when you would do this.
And when
So
it
you can
starts
loosen
shaking, it's only impacting the fact that the machine is shaking. Are you going to see any indication on your lenses?
a little bit, yeah,
Oh,
because it throws off your stroke and orbit.
okay.
So they don't find out as well. When I first got here to Davenport, none of my cylinders were timed at all, and they were running 14 minutes to find the lens. And by the time the lens was found, the machine had moved like 3 feet because it was shaking so far.
And these nuts that you're loosening up, should you not over tighten or like how you want to be tight but not too tight or
You want them as tight as you can get them
okay,
because they hold the pulley in place.
gotcha.
And that's going to be this nut here and one right back here for the top one. And that's going to be on this.
Mm-hmm.
Your top belt doesn't have a tensioner pulley. The way you tension it is with this. So whenever you put the belt on, you're going to put it on and then push that back as hard as you can and then tighten the bolt to hold the belt in place.
Okay, because if you don't do that before, then the belt's just gonna fall off.
Yeah, and then up here on the left, this one that has the spring, that's your tensioner. That's the high-speed belt. So now that I've taken this off, I now have to redo the timing. So I'm going to show you how that's done. On the old cast iron ones, there is a grease cert right here. So when you're reading your manual, it's going to say align it with the grease cert. Now that we've come to these aluminum ones, they replaced it and there's a line to mark it. You guys are lucky that I've replaced these and this is easy to see.
Yeah,
See
I know
that
what the
green
old
dot?
ones look like.
Inside of this notch, there's a line that's there, and you can take something like your PD stick and you can scratch, you can feel it. So if it's all greasy, there's a little notch inside that mark.
Now,
So
did
on
you
the
already
right,
scrape that out so it wasn't red? Was it red before you scraped it and with the line?
oh, I scratched it yesterday.
Okay, you scratched the red off so
No.
you could see the line.
Yeah, I don't know if I did it to this one.
Because yours was much, I'm like, wow, that's very obvious, but
Yeah, it's not always obvious because as soon as you there.
okay. Yeah. So I like what you did in scraping off the color because that's going to make it much more visible. Polish could get into that little line really simple.
Well, since I've replaced these relatively new in this
Hmm.
machine, they come with a painted green mark.
Yeah. I can't tell it's green from here, but I can
You
see
can
the
probably
line.
tell this way.
Oh, I can tell that one. Oh, it's green. I thought you just scraped the red off. So, okay.
No, no, it's green. They put a green paint in there, but the aluminum itself is red.
Okay.
So as the
Gotcha.
green paint wears off, it'll just look red, but
Gotcha.
also it'll probably get greasy over time. So what you do is you line these up just like that on both of them. And we're gonna install the top belt now. So what you do is you turn this 7 notches to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the top is timed. You just have to put the belt on now and try not to let it shift too much, which is a two-handed job. So I'm going to try to set my phone in a way you guys can see this.
Okay. And you don't have to do anything with the blue gear while you're doing this, correct?
Correct. And just for everybody's knowledge, both of the belts are the actual same belt. So it doesn't matter if you put the top one on as the bottom one, they're the same belt.
And you only
So,
have to move one of those red gears because the other one moves with it.
right, the timing is the left one right here, you put the left one center
Okay,
on that notch.
gotcha. So leave the left center and the right one move 7 notches to the left.
7 notches to the left. I don't know why they made it that way, but
Lucky 7.
that's what they did. All right, do you guys have a decent view there?
Yes.